In today's video, I'm going to take a look at, is Vibe cryptocurrency a good investment? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you like daily crypto content, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, also feel free to give me a like. It definitely helps out the channel. So before we get into Vibe and whether or not it's a good investment and what it's all about, I just wanted to tell you quickly about the Brave browser. If you're not a member or if you haven't downloaded the Brave browser yet, it's a 100% free browser. It's basically built on the Chromium framework, so it's just like Google Chrome, but it blocks ads. All you do is install it. It will show you different ads like this one here. If you click on it, it'll take you to the eToro website or whatever ad it is, and then you get paid in basic attention token just for clicking the ad. I've earned 11.475 basic attention token for this month. That's $2.91. I also earned close to that on my mobile phone as well. And if BAT gets back to its all-time high, that's $11 right there, or close to it, because basic attention token reached about, I believe, 94 cents at its peak. So I'll leave a link to the Brave browser down in the description. So Vibe or VibeHub. If you're here, you probably already know what Vibe is. If not, they specialize in virtual and augmented reality on the blockchain. And they have their own apps and video game called Vibe or Die. And you actually get paid tokens or coins for every kill that you get in this game. So they also pay out in either Ethereum, the Vibe token, Neo, or Binance coin. So the next era for blockchain gaming. VibeHub is an ecosystem built for users and developers to bridge the gap between communities for gaming on the blockchain. So they have a VibeHub virtual world. So you can travel through the VibeHub virtual world and discover the depths of the unknown in the metaverse. Explore with your friends or choose to explore alone. The virtual world supports all modern browsers and is web VR compatible. So you can download Vibe or Die here on their website, vibehub.io. It says, put your gaming skills to the test in this crypto first-person shooter game similar to Call of Duty and Halo with AAA graphics. Earn crypto for every kill made during gameplay, supporting all tokens integrated into VibeNet. So as you can see, Vibe definitely has some cool things going on here. Feel the Vibe AR holograms. So watch holographic performances in augmented reality on your mobile phone. Feel the Vibe showcases volumetric video technology by displaying holograms for a wide variety of entertainment, including singing, dancing, and comedy. Download the Feel the Vibe app today in iOS and Android app stores. So also cool stuff going on there. This one looks pretty neat too. Holo Charts Finance. It's coming soon, so you can get your crypto. You can get your crypto data in holographic 3D charts in this AR mobile app. Holo Charts uses the Binance API and displays real-time data from the Binance exchange in unique 3D experience. Will also be available in the VibeHub virtual world. So that's something I'm looking forward to. VibeNet. A lot of things going on here with Vibe. So VibeNet private chain. VibeNet is a private chain built for the next era of blockchain gaming. VibeNet facilities instant and atomic microtransactions with no gas fees. Fast, secure, and reliable. All requirements for the next generation of blockchain gaming. And join the VibeNet token communities. So VibeNet is built to scale and can support any crypto in the VibeHub gaming ecosystem. VibeNet currently supports Vibe, ETH, BNB, Neo, and Gas. If you want to have your token integrated into VibeNet, you can contact VibeHub Gaming System. So a lot of things going on here with VibeHub. You know, it's a working product. You can see that they're actually building something useful. They actually just recently partnered with Chainlink, as a lot of cryptocurrencies are, but they jumped on board uh, to have Chainlink handle their oracles, which is definitely a good sign. If you're not integrating with with a company like Chainlink or Band Protocol or Teller to work with your Oracle solutions, then I mean, how serious is the crypto project? So, VibeHub is definitely taking that step. So they recently introduced Neo to their ecosystem, which is great news. So, also this was probably about a year ago. So, VibeDie was released about a year ago, 10 months ago, and looks like February 22nd, 2019. So, Crypto Daily, if you know who he is, he's another crypto YouTuber, pretty big. You've probably seen him, but he actually played Vibe or Die along with a couple other YouTubers, one being Data Dash. And I'm going to leave the link down below for this, but it's pretty cool to watch them play this game. The one knock I have on VibeHub so far is it seemed like their marketing could go a little bit better. It, it just doesn't seem like, I don't know, maybe they're not getting their word out there good enough, because a lot of people don't know who they are. You know, you have Engine or Decentraland both dealing with gaming, and then you have Vibe just kind of like doing all this great stuff, but no, not too many people know about them. Maybe they need to get with these bigger crypto influencers, and maybe they have plans during the next bull run. I believe they will, because you see that they did it here with Crypto Daily and Data Dash, and that's what they need to do to take this cryptocurrency to the next level. And if we are in a bull cycle, I could see them kind of tackling these big influencers again, and paying out sponsorships to really get their name out. So like I said, I'll leave the link down below so you can watch this Crypto Daily and Data Dash playing Vibe or Die. But pretty cool video there. So let's take a look at VibeHub's roadmap here. So they launched back in 2017. At the peak of the bull run in early 2018, VibeHub exploded to $2.70 per coin. Now that's when they got listed on Binance, and everything back then, if you got listed on Binance or Coinbase, you pretty much had a nice spike, and that was the same case for Vibe. But you can see from their roadmap, they've been very consistent. They've stuck to their plan, and right through the end of 2020, they have plans to make things happen. So the release of Feel the Vibe holograms and VR platform, that's coming up. The release of new holograms to the Feel the Vibe AR and VR app. The list goes on, okay? A lot of cool things going on in VibeHub. But let's take a look at CoinMarketCap real quick so we can see where Vibe is. So Vibe is at about just over 1.5 cents. Okay. Now it once was at an all-time high of 270. You can see, looking at this chart, they pretty much flatlined, as did most coins and tokens that boomed in 2017, 2018. That doesn't mean it's not a good investment today. Do I think it's going to get back to its all-time high of $2.70? Probably not, okay? But there's definitely a lot of gains to be made with Vibe, especially when you have a working product. And if we, in fact, are in the beginning of a bull cycle, everything's going to rise. And now's the time to get into some of these projects. Of course, this isn't financial advice. You guys need to do some research and find out more about this project yourself and any other project. But I did some quick calculations here. So if you were to put $1,000 into Vibe today at 1.5 cents or 1.6 cents, you would earn $165,000 $165,196 if Vibe got back to $2.70. If you put in $500, you'd have a return of over $82,000 at today's prices, and even a small amount of $100 into Vibe, you would yield an earning of $6,118. Now, that's if it got back to its all-time high. Like I said, I don't know if it's going to get there. Let's just say it doesn't, and you put $1,000 in today, and let's say Vibe just gets to 20 cents. You're going to get a return of $12,236. Definitely something that's achievable is 20 cents, especially in the next bull market. And if it just reaches the 52-week high, which wasn't too long ago, you're going to get a return of $1,754. Now back to CoinMarketCap real quick. So Vibe is at a ranked 652 on CoinMarketCap. Their market cap is a $4,251,000 cap, and their volume is 1,272,000. Circulating supply 260 million, which is a good number. It's not too high. It could definitely reach 270 again if enough volume goes back into Vibe, but it's going to be on Vibe to get their marketing in a good spot. You know, they have all the stuff, all the things in the making, but they have to get discovered. And right now, it just seems like they're not getting discovered. And once they do, Vibe has a ton of potential as far as coin prices go. But short term, I think it's a good investment. Short term, long term, who knows? I mean, it's risk. They're all risky. It's risky. It's risky short term. It's risky long term. But in the short term, if we are in a bull cycle, I think you can make some decent money with Vibe. So, if you guys like this video, please let me know down in the comments. If you are invested in Vibe, let me know. If you guys like Vibe, or if it's something that piqued your interest, also let me know. Definitely looking forward to hear from you guys. We will see you tomorrow.